nagkukumpulan sa ano, sa mangrove. Ayun oh. Tingnan nyo itong isa. Oh, oh, oh my God. Tingnan nyo guys. Dito lang yan guys sa mall. Yan. Sa may boardwalk. Ayan. Sa loob sila ng mangrove. Ang dami. Ang ingay talaga. Yan o. Yung iba lumilipad. Oh, tingnan nyo. Naglalakad lang kami dito, narinig namin ang ingay ng mga ano, yung palapaniki. Tama ba ako? Paniki ba yung tawag sa Tagalog? Yan oh, naririnig mo sila dito. Akala ko meron lang nagche-chainsaw. Yung pala paniki. Narinig ng asawa ko. Tinawag niya ako. Dami talaga guys. Oh. Sa loob sila ng mangrove. Nakalambitin. Yan oh. Oh. Kalambitin sila guys. Oh, oh, wow. Tingnan yung dami talaga dyan sa loob. But I never seen them that big. I never seen them big like that. They're huge. Wait lang. Makakuha lang ako ng maganda. Ayan oh. Tingnan niyo guys oh. Nakalambitin oh. Ang laki. Oh. Huge. I never seen bats like that big. Ayan na guys, oh, nagliliparan na sila. Oh, oh, ang dami nila guys, oh. Oh my God. Ayan na sila guys. Ayan na sila. I better close my mouth. They might poop. dami sa mangrove. Ayan. Dami. O yan, oh. Ang lalaki. Na-amaze ako na natatakot. Ang dami talaga, guys. Oh. Oh, tingnan nyo. Oh, man. Look, they're all out. Ingay nila sa loob. Oh, sobra pa naman dami, oh. Nag-fiesta sila, oh. Ano? Dami nila, oh. Ayan, oh. Nakaka-amaze yun, nakakatakot talaga. Makadapuan ka ba? Hindi ako nakakita ng ganito kadaming ano, paniki na ang lalaki pa naman. Ang lalaki talaga, oh. Oh, marami yung paniki, oh. Holy. Ayan po sila, oh. Nakalamig pa, oh. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ang dami nila, oh. Ayan, oh. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, oh. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Oh, wow. Ayan. Ganda dito guys, maglakad-lakad, oh. In the morning. Morning walks ka dahil. Ayan. Morning walks, ano. Ganda ng ginawa nila. Ah, dito pala kahoy na siya. Dito kahoy na, doon semento. Pero ang ganda guys, oh. Ano dito? Gandang project ito kung sino man nag-isip ng project na. It's very nice. And here in Mindoro, what I notice, as long as it's not private, it's free. There's no entrance fee, beach, park. As long as it's not private property. Pero pag private, there's a fee. It's not much. It's like $1 and something. So it's still worth the money, you know, especially like this. Oh, it says there, no trespassing. It's private property, so only up to here because they block it over there. It's private property, no trespassing. Ayan. So I think it's only up to there. You can't cross. I wanted to go over there, but it says it's private. But can you walk? They blacked it off. Yeah, so just up to here, I guess. Yan, nakikita nyo? Yung mga paniki dyan. Tingnan nyo yung mga paniki, oh. Ayan, oh, dami, oh. Na-amaze ako. Na-amaze ako. Lumipad sila, guys, pero bumalik din. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Hindi ko Teka lang. Isusum ko. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Sobrang dami, oh. Tingnan nyo. Oh, my. Grabe talagang dami. Nung nagliliparan sila, takot ako. Takot ako baka mamaya magpupo. Yeah, so this part is a wooden platform, but over there it's cement. Like there is cement, and then here, so it's like it's not done yet, I guess. The project. This is amazing project because it's so nice here. Fresh air, you know. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. I'll see you again next time on my next vlog. Bye. Thank you so much for watching my vlog here in the Philippines. Bye.